channel Quick Learning. So now our topic of presentation is efficiency versus effective. This is a most common and frequently asked question in many interviews and in your question papers. So before starting, kindly subscribe to my channel. So this is the basic summary of the definitions of effective and efficient. Effective means the right things, but efficient means the things right. So it means effective means the, the things that are already right. You are not doing anything, you're not giving any input in it. These things are already right. And efficient means the things right. Means you did your work very efficiently so that the things are rightly done. Okay? Then, effectiveness. So, in effectiveness, it is why is this being done? Then doing the right things, then aligns with objectives and goals, then you have to future looking, you have a futuristic and mindset with the desire for a better future, then not easy to measure, requires external view, outside organization, and last one is requires subjective visioning. But in efficiency it means what needs to be done. So, doing things the right way in the best possible manner focuses on process, about current work, what must improve now. Then, easily measurable by analyzing specific matrices. Then, internal within the bounds of the organization and requires objective analysis. So, basically, this is the difference between effectiveness and efficiency. Then, example. So, now I will tell you about the example. So being efficient means this is a game we all have played. Okay, for so being efficient means 5 attempts. So focuses on the process and procedure and do the things right. But being effective means in only one attempt you reach your goal. So your focus is on your goal and do right things. So this is a very easy example to understand. Like being efficient means you focus on your process, but in effective you focus on your goal. Then, so this is a graph that I is especially made for you people. So this summarizes about whole the point. In y-axis we have the pursuit of appropriate goals and the doing right things, and in x-axis we have use of resources like doing things right. So the things that are ineffective and inefficient are pursuing wrong goals, and inefficient like not producing enough and are expensive. Then effective and inefficient mean pursuing right goals but inefficient, like cost are high. Then ineffective and efficient means pursuing wrong goals but inefficient, not producing enough but low cost. And effective and efficient means pursuing right goals, and efficient means right ROI and cost efficient. So this is a comparison chart between both of them. So both efficient and effective generally mean having an effective effect, but each word has its own distinctive application. So the definition of effective can be effective is an adjective. So it is used to describe success in producing the desired result. For example, the medicine was really effective in curing this problem. The actor gave an effective performance in the movie. Television is an effective means of communication. The drug is effective against a range of bacteria. And last one is the book aims to teach effective essay writing. Okay. In efficient, the definition of efficient will be, though efficient is also is an adjective, it is used to describe a productive human or a machine. For example, the machines used at the assembly line are highly efficient. He has an efficient business setup. The new machine is more efficient than the old one. She comes over as a very efficient businesswoman, and bicycles are a cheap and efficient form of transport. So these are some examples that I quote for you people. So even in your exam you can quote these examples, and this will help you to understand more about the concept. So this is a visualization of efficiency versus effectiveness. Efficiencies like resources, process, and output. These are efficient. But effectiveness means output and your target. As I told you, the process include is efficiency and the goal and the output include is your effectiveness.
Thank you.
So
So
that's all from my
these are
side.
from
Thank
our
you.
side. Then the next part will be uploaded